HP printer without any software by using the drivers built into the Windows operating system. The Windows Print driver only provides basic functionality for HP printers. Before installing your printer, make sure it is not connected to your computer with a USB cable. If it is connected, disconnect the USB cable. Set Windows Update to automatically download driver software. On your computer, click the Windows button. Search for and open Change Device Installation Settings. From the Device Installation Settings window, select Yes, and then click Save Changes. Connect your printer to the computer. You can connect your printer to your computer through either a wireless or USB connection, depending on your preference. To set up a wireless connection, you can use the Wireless Setup Wizard option on your printer control panel. Simply select Wireless Setup Wizard and then follow the on-screen instructions to connect the printer. If your device supports it, you can also use Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS, to connect the printer wirelessly, instead of using the Wireless Setup Wizard. To do this, press and hold the wireless button on the printer control panel. Then release the button when the wireless light starts blinking. Within 2 minutes, press and release the WPS button on your wireless router. Then wait for up to 2 minutes while the printer and the router establish a network connection. If you are connecting your printer to your computer with a USB cable, connect the square end of the cable to the printer and the wide, flat end to the computer. Windows detects the printer through the new connection and installs the driver. If a Found New Hardware wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the printer installation. Try to print a document. If your document prints, the printer installation is complete. If you cannot print, proceed to the next step. Install the print driver with the Add a Printer wizard. In Windows, search for and open Control Panel. Select Devices and Printers, and then click Add a Printer. On the Choose a Device or Printer to Add to this PC window, select your printer. Click Next, and then follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. Sometimes when you go to Add a Printer, the printer may not be listed. If your printer is not on the list, click The Printer I Want isn't listed. Then follow the prompts to install the printer manually. Print a document. Printing a document ensures that the print driver is installed and working correctly. If the document prints correctly, your printer is ready to use.